Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to present about the genetics. Firstly, let me explain about the chromosome. First of all, the owners are credited for all figures and text used in this presentation. What is this? This is the DNA molecule. Very big molecule. Please let me ask some question. Why kids are similar to their parents? Before I answer that question, let me present about it. What is inheritance? Inheritance is the transmission of genetic information from generation to generation. Plants and animals inherited certain characteristics such as the plant height, fruit color, seed shape, skin color, and eye color, and so on. The inheritance of such characteristics called heredity. Heredity is broad and general term, while inheritance is the crucial mechanism. Heredity is passing the trait from parent to offspring. What is genetics? Genetics is the branch of biology that studies how heredity works. Here are some examples for the characters and tall. Example characters, plant height. Examples of traits, tall or short. Let me present about the nature of chromosome. What is this? This is a chromosome. The scanning electron micrograph of the metaphase chromosome. During metaphase, the chromosome fully condensed and the two individual chromatids can be seen. Here are the two sister chromatids. Here, the centromere. Let me explain about this flowchart. Actually, the cells are mainly made out of nucleus and protoplasm in eukaryote. In the nucleus, there's a chromosome. The chromosome is made out of DNA and protein. So what is gene? Gene is the segment of DNA. This figure also explain about that. There's a cell. Inside the cell, there's a nucleus. Inside the nucleus, there are chromosome. In the chromosome, there's a DNA. Along the DNA, there are so many genes. Here, this figure also explain about that. So let me move another slide. Let me explain about the nature of chromosome. Here we can see the chromosome. Here the two sister chromatids. What is chromosome? Chromosome is an organized package of the DNA found in the nucleus of the cell. The structure of chromosome. Each of the chromosomes is made of DNA and protein. It can be seen in the time of the cell division. Each chromosome has the certain characteristics of the one is ready to divide. It began two sister chromatids. So we can see here two sister chromatids that joined at the point called the centromere. Here, the centromere. These are two sister chromatids. Each chromatid is a string of genes coding for the person characteristic. The other chromatids carry the same genes in the same order. Those are two sister chromatids. So they are genetically identical. So the gene, the other chromatid carries the same genes in same order. Genes are secondary DNA. I've already mentioned it. What are they? They are chromosome. Here, This is a cell inside the nucleus. Inside the cell, there's a chromosome. Here the chromosome is made of DNA and protein. There's the double-helix DNA, the sugar phosphate backbone. This is the gene. The gene is the segments of DNA. The right side of the picture shows the electron micrograph of the human chromosome. This figure also explains about the structure chromosome. There's a chromosome here. There's a centromere. There's a subarachnoid DNA histone. The ball represents the histone protein. The string represents the DNA. Here, the double-helix DNA. So the DNA coil around the histones and coil, then it's become condensed. It's become chromosome. Condensed and become chromosome. Here, the DNA chromosome. The same thing I've already explained. There's a chromosome. There's a supercoil, and these balls are a histone. This one is nucleosome. The DNA round that histone. So it's become nucleosome. This is a double-helix DNA, and the left side of the picture. And this also chromosome, DNA molecule. Sorry. What are these? These are chromosomes. We can see the chromosomes under the microscope. This is the mitosis spread of the chromosome. This also chromosome. These are the chromosomes. The first one, here the mitosis spread of the chromosome under microscope. And then this bigger one is the arrangement of the chromosome according to their size, shape, appearance, and ratio of the arms. The arrangement is known as karyotype. This is the human karyotype. So we can see the pair of the chromosome. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. The pair, we can see the pair of the chromosome. They are called homologous chromosome. This is the G-band chromosome. So this is the mitosis spread, and this one is the right side picture show the karyotype. A human body, a somatic body cell, nucleus contains 23 pairs of the chromosome, so there are 46 chromosomes. These are difficult to distinguish in the nucleus, so biologists separated them and arranged them by size and appearance. This arrangement is called karyotype. Number of chromosomes. Let me explain about the number of chromosomes briefly. There's a fixed number of chromosomes in each cell of the same species. For example, in human body cell, each contains 46 chromosomes, and mouse cell contains 40 chromosomes, and wheat contains 42 chromosomes, and garden bean contains 14, and so on. The number of chromosomes in the species is the same in all its body cells. There are 46 chromosomes in each of the liver cell, in every nerve cell, in skin cell, and so on in human. The chromosomes are always in pair, called homologous. You can see here. There's 2 long and 2 short and 2 median ones, because each pair comes from the male gametes and one of each pair comes from male gamete and one from the female gamete. So we can see there's a 2 pair of chromosome in each pair. In human, there are 46 chromosomes in each cell, which are inherited 23 chromosomes from the mother and 23 from the father. So we can see here the human karyotype. There's a pair of chromosome, one from the mother, one from the father. This is a sex chromosome XY. The rest of the chromosomes are known as autosome. Thank you, everybody. The questions are welcome. Thank you.